This model kit review is of the Lamborghini Silhouette. That's a pretty uncommon, rare car. Not too many of them are made. And, well, it just wasn't quite the right shape, I guess. Anyway, it's a 1/24 scale model by Testors. And here's a picture of the model. And here's another picture of the model. And some details about the car. And some of the colors needed. So look, here's some more details there of the model. So let's have a look inside. So we have a few screws, doesn't look like too many. And we'll start off here with our body. And it's pretty shiny plastic that might need to get sanded down for the primer to take. Otherwise the details are quite nice. And we do have some mold lines. But no flashing, and here you can see the Lamborghini logo there. And let's have a look over here at the rest of our screws. So first of all, here we have our chassis. So first of all, here we look at our chassis. We've got some detail here. Looks like it was made for a battery to go in there. Not really a fan of those older style models. Never really liked those. Not a lot of detail up top here. Here we have our steering rack. We've got our separately made, I always like those, windshield wipers. We've got some body parts. Here are our side mirrors and our wheel hubs. And this looks like this is the battery door. Here are our two license plates. And over here we have our wheels. Those are the classic 5 circle Lamborghini wheels. We have got our roof, sides of the doors, steering wheel. Here's our dashboard. And our seats with center console. We have a windshield, we need a nice polish, and the rear glass. We've got some lights here and there. Here's our front grille, and then we have an axle with a gear. I guess this is for attaching to a motor if you wanted to do that. There's no motor included, but here's the gear. And we have our 4, these are still nice and soft, rubber tires with Pirelli stamped on them, and some nice tread. So we're going to have a look at our instructions now. Some details about the car. And so here we're going to start with the axle. And that's all put together. Then the front suspension down there with our cockpit and our dashboard. And next we have our interior. This is the the body parts going on with the glass. More body parts, including lights and bumper, windshield, wipers, and the side mirrors, and then putting it all together. And then here's the paint guide. I don't see any decals anywhere. But not a lot of detail on this car, but reasonably well molded. No decals, but it'll be an interesting build.